Hey everybody, it's Gigi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, and I guess I could call this video part 2 of my bread making series because I am actually going to be making French toast with the bread that I made. P.S. If you hear some, construction going on, we've got a lot of construction going on in this house right now, but I am trying to power through and ignore it, just like you guys should. Anyways, as you guys might remember, I made bread in a previous video. Well, I made another batch of bread, but I did not include the garlic or the everything bagel spice because when you make French toast, those additions are not necessary. Because as you guys know, French toast is actually a sweet recipe. It's not savory, so you don't need garlic for that shit. Because that'd be fucking disgusting. And this girl wants to eat some delicious French toast, so I made the exact same bread recipe minus those ingredients. And as you can see here, turned out just as good as the first batch. It's got the great consistency, it actually holds together a little bit more, and we are gonna make French toast with this bad boy. Are you ready for it? I want some fucking French toast. Yeah, I do want some fucking French toast because I haven't had French toast in eons, and the best part is that it's going to be 110% GiGi approved. That means it's wheat-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, soy-free, nut-free, and fruit-free, everything free. So you're gonna wanna watch this video to see what the heck went into this recipe. Guys, this looks stupid good and it smells amazing and I cannot wait to dig in. This reminds me of when I was little and I used to eat French toast all the time. Looks stupid. It looks so good. And then the syrup and the powdered erythritol, I can't get over it. Now I have to see if my mouth approves. This is unique as fuck. I could eat this entire thing no problem. But then again, I can usually eat a lot of the things I make no problem because I'm not gonna lie, I really like my own cooking. I want some fucking French toast, and I got some fucking French toast, guys. This is French toast. This is what dreams are made of. I'm gonna use my hand. Cause forks are for pussies. Seriously, the bread that I made, stupid good. Stupid good. So this recipe, also stupid good. Now, as you guys might have seen when I was actually making this, I actually found some Julien's Bakery coconut bread in my freezer, and I was like, oh my God, I have to try it, because I've never tried it before. So, let me grab that real quick. This is the bread. Yeah, by the way, it was like a frozen blob and I was trying to break it apart and it was just a mess. But anyway, this is Julien's Bakery bread and I made it into a French toast as well. Now, maybe I should just try it alone before I put syrup and shit on it too. Definitely tastes really eggy. And I'm kind of choking. So there was Julien's. Now, let me put it in a little bit of syrup to see if that makes it taste more palatable. I mean, Julien's Bakery bread isn't the worst thing in the world, especially if you haven't had bread in eons, but I'm gonna have to say my recipe is way better, and it has cauliflower in it, which means you're eating a vegetable as you're eating, quote, bread. Yeah, winner, duh. And again, I do like my own cooking the most. Anyways, guys, I gotta go eat breakfast right here, but thank you so much for watching. I do hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.